Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix all network adapter problems with internet in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type device manager and hit enter. In this section, scroll down and expand this menu, select network adapters and select your network adapter. In this case, I select Intel A2574L gigabyte network connection. Right click and select update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, one click. And if you receive any wizard or setup, click on next install, and you can show this message. The best drivers for your device already installed. Click on close and repeat this process with all network adapters. Right click, select update driver, select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and click on next install. And you can show this message, the best drivers for your device already installed. Click on close, restore this menu, close, and to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And your network adapters works properly. In this section, your network is connected. Open up any web browser to verify your network connection. For example, go to YouTube. And if your problem persists, click on close, go to the start menu and select network reset and hit enter and click on this button. Reset now. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set another networking components back to the original settings. Click on reset now and confirm on yes. Close the confirmation pop-up. Click on close, and to apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu and select restart. Login in your Windows. And your problem has been fixed. In this option, click on no and verify in any web browser, for example Google Chrome, and go to YouTube. And this is all, or go to Google and search for any page, for example Taylor Swift, and this is all. Your internet and network adapters work properly and fixed all problems. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.